Morning, people. Just wake up still again, you know. Today, October 10, right? Yes, sir. October 10, man. October 11 today, isn't it? Can you just wake up still again?
See, October 11.
Isn't it? Again, and thing, isn't it? People, me I tell you, I'm going to bed late last night and I wake up. No, like, I'm going to bed late last night and I have to leave. And me at gym say, me and a girl are wait. And this boy come with me. The boy me say, man, people for him.
Welcome, people. I don't know if I can Facebook at all. I'm some cat over the book. Ghana, Trinidad, China, Belgium, and what is it? Asia. Yeah, sure.
Anyway, back to me now, isn't it? Right now, a whole thing I got go on idea, you know. A whole heap of video shooting for me and dance practicing and all kind of sitting. You understand? It's some cooking, you know. Shit.
Alright.
So, dude, this is my man video. Shut the fuck up, man.
Hold on.
Well, people, now but watch your room still, no?
Yo.
Not your room, do it, not your room
People.
still. Not your room.
Don't watch room here because a regular, you know, you must tell the bed enough clean up place. You know what you cook and clean the teeth brush. Brush for the teeth.
That's a lie.
Alright, people, morning to you. Well, I come early, man, call your brother to shoot on a video, see me? One little vibes I go video. Like how people now have no idea how young now, you know, so young for live young and lively, see me? Alright, we come to say, yo, we're going to shoot a video about what the worst sex ever in your life. I mean, no, you somehow you must have worst sex in your life. I don't want to talk about it, no? Alright, alright. Alright. People, let's go and talk. You know, I'm going to write down my script and computer and do my thing, isn't it? You see me? So, put it on the answer. So.
That's all them do. Be a Facebook. He have no game. Me a shoot to black lad. Well, I'm a eat first now. Hold on, man. One can't wait. Hold on, man. Eat first. A morning time, the best meal, the best breakfast is the most important meal for the day. I don't know me food. Anyway, still back to where you know. I shoot a one video, see me? I don't really know if I today gotta go up still, but I'll make a look of videos, see me? Jamaicanz video, like Jamaican and high glue video, Jamaicanz woman, Jamaicanz man, Jamaicanz relationship, Jamaicanz thief, Jamaicanz gang, Jamaicanz funny, Jamaicanz sticks, Jamaican everything. All about Jamaicans, right? America too, you know, cause we're not going back a thing too, you know. You see me?
I know it's from what year they might come with Jamaican talking to, you know. I'm not this foreign people, you know. But they must stop it, man. We can't read.
Talking up, y'all guys in America son fucked up.
Yeah, you must stop it, man.
Do not speak like Jamaicans, man. You guys speaking like bumbleclot. That's not Jamaican language. What are you doing? What are you doing?
You disgrace the country. Don't let them get.
Nah, man, I say, yo, I'm the half rich you, see me? I'm a white man dog. What man say, yo? I say, oh yeah. I say, what? Go see man dog. Man, I speak. Patois. I was like, nigga, what are you doing? Man say, where can I find a tattoo? I said, what? Where can I find a tattoo? I said, what? Tattoo? I said, it was tattoo shop? He said, yeah. I said, what are you right there? He said, okay, from o'clock I'll go on there. I said, no. Stop. That's fucked up. Do not speak like Jamaicans. You cannot do it. You sound like African Americans. Come from Nigeria. Almost like bumbleclot. I was like, no, dude, don't do that. That's totally wrong. You're disgracing yourself and our culture. Stop it, man. Stop it. Then this dude want me for show him after tree. I said, fuck you, nigga. You're so gay. And I walked away. He's so gay. Well, me and him, Champion again. On Facebook. Search me Champion. S-E-N, bro. You must try to know some me. Rakesh.
Oh, my name is Rakesh Barrett here. Rakesh, you will art. You see me? Power on Facebook if you want to find me. Russian cutie. Don't know things there. Some people say you like me, but I'm my life and me want to live it. I mean, the list of people want to say, because the list of people, they bring it down and then judge it down. Alright? So talk, I'm going to talk to you.
You know what I go? Him name Rakesh Barrett on Facebook. And his name Rakesh what?
Russian cutie.
Russian cutie on Facebook. People, make sure make it clear. You have two profiles, okay? It is not one, it's two. Okay. You have to talk shit about it.
So we just saw one of them.
You say your name Rakesh Barrett on Facebook.
On Facebook.
And your name Russian cutie on Facebook.
Tell the camera to me. Tell the camera to me. Alright, so from what you have a correction, you know what I mean? Me a correct him and two know say you like correction, same as to sound for me man. Alright, make it sound clearly now. My real name is Rakesh Barrett. Get it? Alright. And FB, the F and the B, Russian cutie. Alright? You get it correct notion? You correct?
Yes, do I get it correct. As they say, no shows, do, no shows. Well, I'm just big up a team them still, isn't me? Big up sister who wants to cook still. I feel I chat that. Oh, so sorry.
Boom, but you're sexy.